Hello! We received this machine today. Well, at least this box. It's a real 20th Anniversary Macintosh from Germany. And it's pretty much complete. We have a modem right here, the telephone adapter. We have some expansion thing and cables. A second layer with the several user guides. It's about compact discs, which was pretty new back then, and a support guide and another support guide and a manual, which is pretty thick for a computer manual. Okay, and then we have all kinds of CDs. Happy holidays. The install software and internet connection kit, virtual pool, the welcome tour, a video shop. Don't know that. What's this? Documentation, 20 hours of free internet, and some video editing or editing tool. And of course we have the remote, and we have even the pen, which is kind of hard to open with one hand. There we go. And we lost the viewer because yes, see, real 20th Anniversary Macintosh pen. Two of them, which are really sticky, in a leather case. The one. So that's part 2 of the box. Sticky pen. There we go. And we have a third layer, which I can't get out, which is basically the back of a computer. Nothing more. Because the real deal, grab this box. So we have this is the serial number, I think, of this box, but it's the real box, so that's really cool. And then we have the real thing over here. Here's the keyboard, which has a detachable keypad, so I can just put it there. Okay, it's connected. We have the main unit with Bose and a ridiculous cable going through the monitor, which is over there. Really thick cable. So let's turn it on. It's kind of hard again because I don't know where it is. It's over there. Only 12,000 of these computers were made. This is a German one, as you can see, with the keyword Z keyboard. And it also has the German macOS installed. It never came out in Europe or in the Netherlands, and so we're really proud that we actually have a German one. Alright. It's not fast, but it boots. Maybe you can hear it. Still booting. Here we go. I'll show you one of the videos I found on this one. There are a few stupid games on it, but the sound is incredible on this machine.
There are some things in life that capture one's soul, like design that goes beyond the ordinary, compelling beauty and grace, a sweeping curve, the perfect line. In the pursuit of design, humankind continues to make better and more elegant solutions.
Bose.
From furniture to architecture to the tools we use every day, the unity of form and function can't help but make an impact on our lives. Balance, contrast, texture, color, and some deeper meaning. Art is design. Design is art.
Probably the main unit,
Life
but also the
is kept
subwoofer.
exciting by the discoveries that emerge. They keep us looking forward, reaching for new ideas and innovations. Apple's 20th Anniversary Macintosh, a design for the future.
Very cool. It's still working. There's even let's see, there's even a CD right now in which is the QuickTime Showcase. Let me start that. For some reason this is really quiet. Problem is I can't skip this. because look at the volume over here, which is really soft. So let's do that. And do this again. So let's see that again, but then with sound. So the first Macintosh commercial.
Celebrate the first glorious anniversary of the information purification directives. For the first time in all history, a garden of pure ideology, where each worker may bloom, secure from the pests of any contradictory thoughts. Purification of thoughts is more powerful a weapon than any fleet or army on earth. We are one people, with one will, one resolve, one cause. Our enemies shall talk themselves to death, and we will bury them with their own words. We shall prevail.
On January 24th, Apple Computer will introduce Macintosh. And you'll see why 1984 won't be like 1984.
Ooh. So and there's also this interesting beatnik, which is showing all kinds of
Beatnik.
music. So, if you want to play with this, come and visit us in Helmond, the Home Computer Museum. We actually have a 20th Anniversary Mac, and which will be in the museum, so you can actually play with it and try it out and experience the sound and everything of 1997 when this came out. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon in the museum. Bye!